a youth, them coulda never call me run a boy. Hey. People on my line, so me nah bury the black on my boy. Yeah. Fuck you like a mama toy, beat it like a drum my boy. That's why me a fear tell me.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. You know, back in full effect with another reaction for you guys. Right now I have Prince Swanny. Tell me, you understand me? Trinidad one that day, the boy Tyrekevlogs there. We're there back with the reaction phone. You see me and say? Regular upload, subscribe to the channel. Road to 40k is really hard to know how we're going over here. 31st of December, we're supposed to be sitting at 40,000 subscribers. Next year, this time, 100,000 subscribers. So run it up right now. Let's see what's happening for this song, alright? Prince Swanny, tell me. Run it. Hold on, tell me. We're just a heathen. We're not similar to heathen. Let's see what's popping. Go on. Alright.
Tell me if they really want it.
Alright. Yeah, alright, just on the beat alone, we realize it. I want them sing there again. One of them look uplifting sound like heathen. You see me and say, so I can see what I go on then. Go on, tell me.
Keep my eyes in 50.
I stand with myself. Miss Boss with myself.
Okay. Tell me if they really want it.
Yeah.
We make the money when we outside. We shop up with the 4-5 dog. None of them the ball like we.
Well, I was in a pocket a while ago. People look on the picture here. Alright, say less. Go on, make the money when we outside. Look at that picture, right? Run.
Okay. Tell me if they really want it. We make the money when we outside. We shop up with the 4-5 dog. None of them the ball like we. And every fat pussy gal them want we. Them want to sit in at the top right. That make the panty drop like. You know we have to do it easy.
And this is for that.
Everything me have a mind. All my camera ring a 9. Check the psychologist. Him say me have a dollar mind.
Yeah, now big up to everybody out there can relate and say everything with them have a for them own. Everything with them have a them own it. And a borrow it. Big up yourself. Anything you have a year one. And nobody give it. Go on!
Boy, me know my future have a shine. Fuck around my family, you gonna feel it about my boy. Since me was a youth, them coulda never call me run a boy.
Hey.
People on my line, so me nah bury the black on my boy. Yeah. Fuck you like a mama toy, beat it like a drum my boy. That's why me a fear. Tell me if they really.
Hey, but say from what they say Prince Swanny and go like him one dancing on people. From what they see you go like him one dancing on people. Man, you know? From what they see you go like you one dancing on Mr. Prince Swanny. But go on!
Want it. We make the money when we outside. We shop up with the 4-5 dog. None of them the ball like we. And every fat pussy gal them want we. Them want to sit in at the top right. That make the panty drop like. You know we have to do it easy. Yeah, we bust we gun and then we fuck gal for free. From my dogs in a the jail where them a.
I have to spray some cologne for that one day. We'll bust the gun. They will knock the girls them for free. Someone have to buy pom pom. Good. Someone have to buy pom pom. Good. We're gonna do them things there. We don't buy punash. Go on.
Lockdown for real, society I try shut down with you. Yeah, we bust we gun and then we fuck girl for free. Few my dogs in a the jail where them a lockdown for real. Society I try shut down with dream. Big up every hustle and we not in a the slavery. We praise God cause we know that a the key.
Big up every hustle we're doing in the slavery. Big up everybody out there who work for themselves. Big up everybody who try to be entrepreneurs. If we don't hear it, if we don't take it away, that way they may tell you right now. That's the way I'm telling you guys right now. Big up everybody out there who try to work and work for themselves and try to create their own business. Go on.
Money strap on the grind with the 40. Shut down with dream, big up every hustle, and we nothing at this slavery. We praise God, cause we know that are the key. Make money strap on the grind with the 40. If you fuck around with my bread, no say you really want it. Gunman around the head, kick down your door. Tell me if they really want it. Shut down with dream, big up every hustle, and we nothing at this slavery. We praise God, cause we know that are the key. Make money strap on the grind with the 40. If you fuck around with my bread, no say you really want it. Gunman around the head, kick down your door. Tell me if they really want it. We make the money when we outside. We shop up with the 4-5. Dog, nah, in the ball like we. Yeah. And if you fat pussy, girl, wow, we. Them want to sit in at the top right. That make the panty drop like. You know we have to do it easy.
Man, suppose it's 240 so do that like a nothing. Simple work, light work for you. Don't take in general. Jano. Hashtag. Body body. Go on.
Everything me have a mind. All my camera ring and 9. Check the side.
But we don't get it clear. I don't know nothing about guns. I only play games. I don't know nothing about guns. Go on. Go on.
Say me have a dollar mine. Never once beg a boy. Me know my future have a shine. Fuck around my family. You gonna feel about my boy. Since me was a youth, them coulda never call me round a boy. Me dope people on my line, so me nah be really black on my boy. Fuck it like a mama toy. Beat it like a Joe, my boy. That's why me a fear. Tell me if they really want it. We make the money when we outside. We shop up with the 4-5. Dog, nah, in the ball like we. And if you fat pussy, girl, wow, we.
Them want the reaction, boss. People, what your thoughts on this song? Drop it down below in the comment section of this video. And as usual, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has made it to the end of this video. If you has made it to the end of the video, please drop number 5 down below in the comment section. You understand me? More videos coming your way today, very soon. So just check the channel every hour, because you know YouTube don't like sending my notifications. I don't know what I did to her. I don't know what I'm doing, but okay.